Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going over some tips and tricks on how to use your Dustcontrol Storm 500 portable H-class vacuum cleaner to get the best results on site. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to the channel if you haven't already. The Dustcontrol Storm 500 is ideal for basic cleanup or dust extraction on all grinders up to the DSM 650 RC. For bulk or heavy grinding such as coating removal, a separator is required. So for the Storm 500, which is a 32 amp machine, plugs into 32 amp 3-phase. Always ensure the power's off before plugging it in and tighten up the collar to ensure it doesn't come undone. We've got the on and off station here, and then next to it we've got another 32 amp outlet, which you'd usually plug a 3-phase grinder into, like the 530 or 650. Then you can turn that on once it's all plugged in, or turn it off when you're unplugging it. So to turn it on, we've got the shutter valve here for filtering cleaning the filters. Ensure that's open, and then hook your hose in. We've got the larger fitting which goes into the vacuum, and the smaller fitting for the floor head or else your grinder. So you turn it on with the green button and then turn it off with a red one. For the filter cleaning function, got a pressure gauge here which gives an indication if the filters are blocked. The other indication is if your grinder is leaving dust behind, or when you're vacuuming up, if it's not sucking how it was when it started, it's an indication to do a filter clean. We've got a bit of a gauge here, so you shut off the valve so it builds up pressure while it's running. Then push this toggle down, and that opens and shuts a valve which lets air rush in and blows the dust off the filter. Let it do that 5 to 10 times, and then turn it off and open this valve at the same time, and that allows the dust that's been loosened in the filter to drop down into the bag down here. So you can give that flap a bang just to loosen the dust, let it fall into the bag. And usually at this point it's a good idea to do a bag change. So you pull the dust down, the bag of dust, and then put 2 zip ties, one at the top of the dust and then another about 100 millimeters away, 100 to 200 mil. And then cut in between those two with a Stanley knife or scissors. And then that's your bag of dust, which you can chuck away, and then that gives a fresh bag to continue vacuuming. It's worth keeping an eye on the bag so it doesn't fill up too big, so it's an easy manageable size. On the side here, we've got storage for the floor head, which you can connect to the hose and suck up, clean up afterwards. It's got a dial here that you adjust the height of the wheels so that the rubber strips are sucking against the floor, and depending on the height of the operator, so that it's working efficiently. It's doors back around the side for your convenience. Your Storm 500 will come with a short lead like this. This is if you start the vacuum and the bag does not suck up, or the ball in the exhaust doesn't show, it means that the phases are going the wrong way and it's actually blowing instead of sucking. If the vacuum does this, you'd turn the vacuum off and turn the power off, and then put this short lead into the extension lead. You can see here the bag's blowing up, so it means that it's blowing instead of sucking. So we'll turn the power off, loosen the collar, and then install this short tail so that it sucks instead of blows. When using the Dustcontrol H-Class vacuum cleaners, we recommend doing a filter cleaning sequence every 15 minutes or when the performance has reduced. Always remember to replace the bag when it is full. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.